The station still lives in my memory. I still remember that station, the cold beneath my feet, two roads standing before me, only one I chose to keep. A suitcase full of dreams, a heart afraid to break. And somewhere in the distance, the train I didn't take. Sometimes I wonder who I would be today if I had taken that train. Would my life be the same? Would I be smiling somewhere under a different name? Would I have found forever or made a bigger mistake? Sometimes I still think about the train I didn't take. Sometimes